Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create mug jump editing on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. But before you create a new project on Capcut, make sure you have prepared your jumping video. Here I have prepared my video guys, and I'm going to add it to my project. Actually, I didn't record my video, but I just downloaded it from the internet. Okay, I'm going to create a new project, and then I'm just going to go to my download album right here, and then I'm going to choose this one. This is the jumping video I have just downloaded. Okay, and then I'm going to add mark to my video. We can go to the overlay and then select add overlay, and then I'm going to go to my pins folder. Again, I just downloaded the mug from the internet. Wait, okay, this one. I'm going to select this mug, and I'm going to remove the background of this mug. We can go to the remove background menu, and then I'm going to use chroma key feature to remove the background. Okay, and I'm going to place the mug right here, and then I'm going to extend the duration according to the duration of my video. Okay, I'm going to play it guys. Okay, I think I need to make the mug smaller. Okay, and then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, I need to change the position. Okay. I think I need to move it up. Okay, and let's check it again. Okay, I think it looks good. Okay. And wait, I'm going to check it again. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay guys, basically you just need to keep adjusting, all right, until you get what you want, or until the video looks natural. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create mug jump video editing using Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.